Royal Enfield has officially unveiled the much-anticipated Himalayan 750, alongside an electric ADV motorcycle currently serving as a development platform, called the Himi. The Himalayan 750 has been spotted undergoing extensive testing both overseas and in India, and these latest official images confirm that its launch is closer than ever. The new Himalayan brings a number of significant updates over the current Himalayan 450. It features a half-fairing design with a familiar LED headlight, consistent with Royal Enfield's modern lineup. Notable additions include new trapezoidal mirrors, dual front disc brakes, and a 17-inch front and rear spoked wheel setup. A significantly taller windscreen and the same TFT instrument cluster from the Himalayan 450 are also present, mounted in a rally-inspired tower layout. The fuel tank appears substantially larger, and the motorcycle sports a single upswept exhaust, adding to its adventure-ready character. Overall, the Himalayan 750 promises more robust bodywork and better wind protection, giving it a more traditional ADV bike appearance. At the heart of the new Himalayan is a 750cc parallel twin engine, derived from Royal Enfield's existing twin-cylinder platform. This new power plant is expected to produce around 55 PS of power and 65 Nm of torque, offering a significant performance boost for long-distance touring and off-road capability. Accompanying the Himalayan during testing is the Himi, an electric prototype motorcycle. The bike has been seen fitted with aggressive knobby tires, a gold-finished USD front fork, and a single-pedal disc brake with a radially mounted calipers. While visually striking, Royal Enfield has clarified that the Himi is not planned for immediate production. Instead, it serves as a test bed for future electric motorcycle development within the company. With testing now in full swing, the Himalayan 750's launch appears imminent, although Royal Enfield has not yet confirmed an official release date. Enthusiasts can expect a more powerful and adventure-focused machine when it finally hits showrooms, signaling Royal Enfield's continued push into the premium ADV segment.